I remember this was like a major moment for me from the HBOT treatment, I would say. I was walking back from my hospital to the apartment, and I noticed something is missing. Initially, I couldn't figure it out what it was, and then I noticed it was the pain. It was not there anymore. So yeah, that was really, it's an emotional moment for me. I feel like literally my life changed after taking the HBOT. It was like a second chance for me. I started noticing my sleep was getting better. These people were really helpful. Like they were all cheerful. Hi, I'm Rajalakshmi. I'm an architect. So I really want to share my experience on the HBOT treatment that I took from Sri Sri Ayurveda Hospital. So I took the treatment for the disease called vasculitis. It's an autoimmune disease and it's majorly affected on my legs. It was really hard for me to live with that disease because of the recurrent pain and the discomfort associated with it. It affected my daily lifestyle. It was really hard for me to walk, to do things by standing for a long time, and my work was really associated with going to sites and things like that. So basically my life was a mess back then. I got diagnosed with this disease like 4 to 5 years back, and I tried different medicines. I went to English medicines, but they suggested steroids, which I didn't go for because of the side effects and all. Then I went to homeo, and it was really working. But for a short term, I would feel better, but the cycles keep coming. So my parents are actually art of living teachers. They somehow got to know about the HBOT treatment in the hospital, and they immediately contacted Dr. Hari. So with the team, Dr. Praveena, Dr. Hari, they all discussed, they went through my reports, and they suggested me to take 40 sessions. So I was basically not so hopeful because I was so used to this disease and I was in this kind of depressive state where I was not hopeful. I thought, okay, I might have to live with disease for like a long time, or maybe like since it's autoimmune, it would be like a long-term commitment with this disease. The doctors were pretty confident. They were like, okay, we'll go for it and all. So I was like, okay, and like that we started the sessions. So initially I noticed that I was kind of able to focus on my work more, that you can sit in the work with more mindful attitude, and like you're focused and you're doing the work within a short period of time. And then I started noticing my sleep was getting better. I really had sleep issues for a long time. And I remember this was like a major moment for me from the HBOT treatment, I would say. So in between, I think it's between 15 or 20 sessions it was. I was walking back from my hospital to the apartment, and I noticed something is missing. Initially, I couldn't figure it out what it was, and then I noticed it was the pain. It was not there anymore because I was so used to the pain for these long years that I couldn't imagine, or maybe was not aware about a stage where you're not able to walk without the pain. So yeah, that was really, it's an emotional moment for me. That pain was gone. So from then on, I started gaining confidence. Okay, this is actually working, and I was really glad. I used to feel like literally my life changed after taking the HBOT. It was like a second chance for me. I took the 40 sessions, so it was like almost 70 to 80% of my disease was kind of cured, I would say, because the pain was not there. The wounds started appearing slower. So, and after that, it suggested me to take 40 more sessions with a 6 months gap. In between the 6 months, I could notice that there were very fewer wounds appearing. The pain was not there. Even though the wounds appeared, they were healing much faster. The body whole mechanism really got uplifted. My sleep is regular, like the sleep issues is completely gone, and my focus is on point. My metabolism has increased, and the whole system was rejuvenated, I would say. So it was really, I don't know how to explain that in exactly words, but it was really like a second chance for me. So I'm really thankful to the whole HBOT team in the Sri Sri Ayurveda Hospital, Dr. Praveena, Dr. Hari, Dr. Arun, and especially Rajalakshmi sister also. These people were really helpful. Like they were all cheerful. They used to like take care of me very well, and I'm like really thankful for the whole team. And I really thank my parents that they found. And foremost, I wanted to thank Guruji for bringing this facility to this hospital and really changing people's lives. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.